Hello student, let us start practical demonstration for waveform generation by using 8051 microcontroller. So this is the title of our project and our aim is what? We have to write down the program to generate the square wave, triangular wave, sawtooth wave and staircase wave by interfacing DAC with 8051 microcontroller. So this is our objective also. So for the same we are going to use the software and the hardware like we are going to use Kill Mu Vision 3 compiler, ISP programmer software, 8952 ISP programmer hardware and the target board. So let us see the circuit diagram, that means the interfacing diagram which is shown over here. This is 8051 microcontroller. We are going to use port 1, that is port 1 0th pin to 7th pin. It is a 80 port as an output port. From this port the output is connected to the MC1408 IC. Okay, see here the inputs for these ICs are D0 to D7, which the inputs are taken from the 8051 microcontroller. Then the output I0 is connected to the inverting pin of op-amp operational amplifier, that is IC741, and at this output we are going to check our final output, that we are going to check the waveform for which we are going to write the code in 8051. So this is a simple circuit diagram that we are going to use for this experiment. So let us see the first program. The first program is to generate the square wave. You know these are the header files, register 51H, which gives the all information regarding the port and the registers that we are using our 8051 microcontroller. This is a library file. See here the character that we are going to use, it is initiated over here. This is I, integer unsigned value. Now the port 1, we are going to move the value 00 in port 1. 0x means this is a hexadecimal value. 0x means hex value, the value that we are going to write after the 0x, it is hex value. So to represent the hex value we are going to use 0x. Okay, so now see, this is a while, we are going to use the loop while. The next instruction is P1 is equal to inversion of P1, that means all bits of port 1 which are initiated in this instruction are complemented, is it? Now this is a for loop, okay, which is incremented by 1 up to 100. That means initially here the value that is generated is 0. Okay, see here initial value that is generated here is 0, that means like this. Okay, now in a while loop when we invert all the bits, the value generated is 1, it is like this. Again 1, that means again 0, again 1. So in this way the square waveform is generated at port 1. Okay, now let us move towards the next program. So see here, so let us start our programming. Okay, for the same we are going to use mule kill. So once you click on kill, the window is pop up. Okay, that is mu kill vision 3. Okay, so click on project, new mi vision project. You have to label the project name over here, that is file name. Okay, that can be stored in a BCS practical folder. So I am going to give the file name here, that is waveform generator using DAC. Okay, now save. So this is the program. the program is written for square waveform generator. So I'm going to click on source, add existing file. Here I'm going to give the file name, that is wave.c, add and click close. Then you just observe the file is added or not. So you just observe the wave plus c file is added in a source. You just see over here, this is wave.c which is added in a source group 1. Now build the program, observe the errors. Now the errors are 0 with 0 warnings. Okay, now you just minimize this window because after that we are going to use sunroom 89s sunroom. Okay, in this sunroom, when you click over here, the window is pop up. Click on and choose the hex file, that is wave.hex. okay, you just observe the file open is wave.hex. okay, now program it. When you click, before click the program, you just ensure that the 8051 microcontroller is IC is put it in a programmer, and you must connect your USB port to the programmer. Okay, in this way, by checking, you just click on the program. Okay, in this way you have to click on program. Once you click, the message is blink at the bottom of the window that the program is burned into the 8051 microcontroller. Okay, see the green line, and then you get the message. Once you get this message, you remove the IC from the programmer in this way. See here, now the IC is kept in IC holder. Output of op-amp is connected to CRO, and you just observe the square waveform that is generated across the output of CRO. So in this way, all types of waveform can be generated by using 8051. Here only the square waveform is demonstrated. Okay, let us stop now.